In 1815, Mount Tambora erupted in Indonesia, causing a year without a summer in 1816. Crops failed, and famine spread across Europe and North America. Amidst this chaos, Mary Shelley found inspiration in the gloomy weather to write Frankenstein. How did a volcanic eruption lead to a literary masterpiece? The eruption's ash cloud blocked sunlight, creating eerie, cold conditions. Shelley's imagination thrived in this bleak environment, crafting a story that questioned humanity's limits. This tale of resilience through creativity reminds us that even in darkness, brilliance can emerge. What other wonders might adversity inspire?